GRINTIMATE, a company with outstanding research, development and innovation capabilities, has successfully developed a series of cylindrical grinders featuring ultra-high precision, heavy cutting and high efficiency. Compared to other Taiwanese-made cylindrical grinders, GRINTIMATE machines exhibit more than 10 times higher rough grinding efficiency. This series of cylindrical grinders is the only one of its class on the market, which combines heavy cutting and ultra-high precision grinding function in one. GRINTIMATE has applied the uniquely developed hydrostatic technologies to the spindle bearing in combination with the machine structure simulated by the computer's software that subsequently brings grinding efficiency to the highest level. Whether for general precision grinding, mirror finish grinding, or heavy cutting applications, GRINTIMATE cylindrical grinders with extraordinary performance will exceed your expectations. With the aim to ensure that machine structure achieves maximum stability, the major structural casting parts of GRINTIMATE cylindrical grinders are all simulated by computational fluid dynamics, CFD, as well as calculated and analysed by lattice-Boltzmann method, LBM. These allow the machine structures to present the optimal dynamic characteristics while reducing stress deformation to a minimum. Well-designed slideways. The series of grinders is designed with V and flat sideways and subject to be simulated by computational fluid dynamics, CFD, and analysed by finite element methods, FEM, making more uniform load distribution possible. Upon customer request, the CSG series provides various hydrostatic mechanisms to select, including hydrostatic workhead, hydrostatic tailstock, hydrostatic X-Y axis linear ways. GRINTIMATE cylindrical grinders are equipped with an exclusively designed hydrostatic bearing spindle, which is combined with the latest throttle valve, leading to optimal dampening capacity, high rigidity and high stability. The highly rigid axial and radial hydrostatic bearings drastically contribute to spindle running accuracy and surface roughness. Developed by a combination of theorem and practical experience, GRINTIMATE's innovation of hydrostatic bearing spindle integrates many fine features like high precision, high rigidity, low friction, low heat buildup, low vibration, and long lifespan. In fact, it is the #1 choice in ultra-high precision mirror finishing. The table's longitudinal movement is driven by a hydraulic cylinder, and the hydraulic power unit has a buffering function to avoid impact at the end of table movement. Upon request, servomotor drives with high-precision ball screw transmissions are available together. In addition, the machine can also be equipped with a linear scale to achieve higher positioning accuracy. The manual tailstock is ruggedly constructed and oil bath lubricated. When requested, an optional hydrostatic bearing tailstock can be used on the machine. A wheel dresser is mounted on the tailstock for added convenience when wheel dressing is required. Whether it is for fine finishing or rough grinding, GRINTIMATE cylindrical grinder provides unmatched performance in machining accuracy, surface roughness, and machine efficiency compared to other Taiwanese-made conventional machines. In rough grinding, if the supposed feed value is 0.15 mm and a number 80 grinding wheel is used, sparks would disappear on the GRINTIMATE cylindrical grinder within 10 to 15 seconds. However, for other Taiwanese-made conventional machines, sparks disappear within 240 to 300 seconds. This means more than 10 times higher machining efficiency. When it comes to extra high precision grinding, GRINTIMATE cylinder grinders are able to create superior roughness. Unique performance. Unlike conventional cylindrical grinders in Taiwan, GRINTIMATE machines integrate many exclusive design concepts that provide the outstanding performance you expect.